up, FOMO bros? Welcome back. Today on the channel, we've got footage of Bridget's trip to the Caropractor, aka Denzell's shop. This car a couple of years back for $1,200, and for those who follow the channel, you know why it was so affordable. So sharp-eyed buyers would have noticed this in the Facebook Marketplace post, but the driver's side wheel was pushed about 2 inches back. There's also some damage on the rocker panel on the passenger side, which we don't address today, but we're going to see what we can do to get that adjustment made. In our helpful diagram, the red represents the wheel problem, not being centered in the wheel well. Orange is the rocker panel we're not addressing today. And the yellow is the floorboard where we're going to be grabbing the car on the frame grabber. So, fixing to see what the underside situation looks like on the vehicle. Richard's going to give us a lift here. So we got the car on the lift to inspect the yellow region I had highlighted. We weren't able to find anything under or in the floorboard area, so we just clamped as normal and yanked away.
Right where it'll, I bet you the easiest thing. That is a little, yeah. Down on here. Oh yeah. Go over here. That's how. Then it's gotta get.
Rolling. Denzell, friend of the channel here. We got it up on the frame straightener device.
The old grabber machine.
Little grabber machine, yes.
So the whole idea is to get your wheelbase the same, but I'm liking a tram. So to get you in the ballpark, we're going to measure off of a solid point of the car, which we know our door is going to be stationary. Our door is not going to move. So we're going to get a base measurement on each side and look at the difference. So when we pull, we're not pulling blindly. So here we have 75.
Inch and a half.
So Richard, tell me what you're using there.
This is actually a jack off a cherry picker. We got a wedge between the pinch wheel clamp and your angle. I want to say it's good for 16,000 pounds.
That's moving pretty good. I want to say this. This might be easier than what we're thinking here. Imagine it like a piece of Play-Doh. If you're stretching something, if it's pushed back and you want it to stay put, and you're stretching it, or a rubber band or something, and if you were to stretch it out on a board and you tack it down with a nail or something, it'd stay stretched out where you want it.
Yeah.
We do the same thing like with a ball peen. You're putting little hammer spots in it, so it's not going to want to collapse back where it was. So it kind of
You can give some little stiffener dents.
Yeah, it's moving it, so it's not wanting to fall back in where it was.
What do you think?
Yeah. So right there we know is a high spot. If there's any extra slack in it, it might help it out,
All right. Thor at work. All right.
A little bit of pressure, a little bit of impact.
A little here, a little there, yeah.
So Richard, what do we call this operation?
Bridget goes to the Caropractor.
After 2 pushes and pulls in his front wheel, left and right hand are pretty dang close. It's 75 3/16 and 75 5/16. At the end of the day, we are only an 1/8 of an inch difference between the driver's side and passenger side wheels. We are centered in the wheel wells. The days of scrubbing the fender when we take left turns are over, and I'm thrilled. So big thank you to Richard and Slade and Denzell for helping out. Appreciate Denzell opening up his shop and his equipment and expertise, where his car's in much better shape. So for all of you who have had experience straightening frames on these Foxbodies, I'd love to hear your successes or failures in the comments, any advice you have for the viewers, for the channel. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.